If you have a broken heart, remember this. A broken heart is an open heart. Please come into my heart, Lord. I'm broken. I'm discouraged. I'm in pain. I'm so hurt. I have nothing. So I invite you to come to me. Salamat na lang ang Diyos natin may puso. Kasi mga iba, mga mayayaman, makapangyarihan, wala ng puso eh. Pera-pera na lang. Our God, He is the most powerful and all that, and yet He has a heart. Sa mga kapatid po natin na umaangat sa buhay, please remember this. When God raises your standard of living, you also raise your